Here today we are on a field exploration of the salt range. This is the gregarious vegetation of Prosopis juliflora and a combination of Prosopis cineraria. The small leaflets which are found in the Prosopis is called as Prosopis juliflora, while the leaflets are larger in size, it is called as Prosopis glandulosa. These three species are the dominant scrub vegetation in the salt range. You see here the big lake that is called as a Namal Lake. The name depicts that the Namal means salt, or in Urdu or Tib it is called as Nimak. So the Nimak is the traditional name in the Urdu or Saraiki, that is for the salt. So it is called as a Namal Lake, and it is one of the important wetland home. That is the wetland biodiversity exists in this lake. One of the important fish that is found in the salty water, that is Tilapia mozambica. This lake is also important with respect to the migratory birds during the winter season, during the cold season when the Siberian birds visit from Russia and Central Asia to this lake. So this lake is the home for birds and number of the biodiversity that is associated with the salty water. The beautiful scenic and panoramic view of the Moosa Hills. These are the important hills on the banks of this Namal Lake. Before 2 months, that is in May and June, this lake was dry, but due to the monsoon, a heavy rainfall, now this lake is full with water. The Namal Lake is a historically important lake, and it was established and constructed during the time of British rulers. The British rulers constructed this lake to provide the water of this lake to the irrigation purposes to the people of district Mianwali. So this lake was important with respect to the agricultural irrigation system at that time, and now this lake is one of the biggest reservoir of the water in this area. Here you see on my backside that in a lake the local peoples are enjoying by the boat. So this is the sometime recreation point. The government should pay attention to make this picnic spot. It's one of the important lake in this region. So it is the need of the time that the government may provide the facilities very important with respect to the socio-economic development of the area. Here you see on the right side that's the Namal Lake, and on my back side you see the Namal University Mianwali. This university was established by the President Prime Minister of Pakistan, that is Imran Khan. This university is one of the important universities in this region, especially the Salt Range and District Mianwali. This university offered a different degree program like the Management Sciences, Engineering diplomas, and number of other diplomas that are affiliated with the Bradford University, and it is worldwide recognized university with a beautiful side of the Salt Range, a number of plant diversity, number of the herbs, shrubs, trees, and beautiful geologically the ophiolites. On my backside, that is the characteristic ophiolite. Geologically, this is called as ophiolite, that is salt deposits. This is just on our left side of the Namal University. This is the important tree of the salt range, that is Acacia nilotica. This is one of the important medicinal plant. The gums that is extracted is used for the backache, rheumatism, and joint pain, while the flowers are visited by the honey for the preparation of the wild honey. So this is another important salt range plant in this area. Here it is a beautiful evening in the Namal Lake, a salt range region, where the chirping of the birds, you hear the beautiful songs by the birds. Okay. Here you see the beautiful birds of the salt range, and these are the wild birds that are associated with the wild biodiversity. They make the nest to the Acacia modesta and number of the salt range trees.